school, college, and university are all wonderful experiences. You get to hang out with your friends, make unbreakable bonds, and discover where it is you want to be in life. But sadly, it's not all fun and games. As the end of term approaches, so do those dreaded exams. Luckily, we're here to help with some of the best study tips and techniques to help you ace your exam. So let's jump right into it. Number 1, make a study plan. Getting in the right mindset doesn't come naturally. So to help you get into the study zone, create a plan of your study sessions instead of trying to cram everything into a single session. Not only do these bite-sized sittings allow you to absorb and retain the information, but they also break up your material so that you don't feel overwhelmed with the amount that you have to learn. Number 2, stock up on power food. While snacking on sugar might be the right idea, it will only give you a boost of energy for a short amount of time. After 30 minutes, you'll start to crash, and you won't be able to concentrate much. So instead of reaching for the nearest chocolate bar, keep some brain food in sight. This includes dried fruits, nuts, and seeds. Number 3, eliminate distractions. Got a text from your bestie? Can't resist the group chat banter. While this innocent checking of your phone might seem like nothing, it's really hindering your chances of getting a good study session in. So, to work smarter instead of harder, eliminate all distractions. To help you do so, download site blocking apps and put your phone on silent. Get rid of your consoles and switch off your TV to ensure that nothing other than your study materials are in sight. Number 4, have a designated study space. Having a designated space to study is important. Your brain will acknowledge that when you enter that area, it's time to study. So, choosing your study spot is a hard task. It needs to be somewhere that's calming and free of distractions. For some, this could be the school library or a local coffee shop, but others might find comfort from their bedroom. Whatever your choice is, just make sure that it's well equipped with everything that you need. Number 5, use color codes and diagrams. Different colors can improve your memory and help you focus. Green improves efficiency. Orange lifts your mood, while blue boosts productivity. So incorporating these colors into your study materials can do wonders. Alternatively, you could use diagrams to help your visual memory, which can be recalled during an exam. Number 6, get creative. As well as using colors, there are plenty of other fun techniques to help you remember your facts. Are you into hip-hop music? Why not become a lyrical genius and create your own rap? Prefer a pop banger? A beeper tempo could work. Whether it is rhymes or riddles, find a creative method that will help you remember those hard facts and will keep you singing all the way to your exam. Number 7, use gum to jog your memory. I know this sounds ridiculous, but using gum to help you read faster and jog your memory is a real thing. According to scientists, chewing increases your heart rate, which delivers oxygen to the brain and improves cognitive memory. Number 8, find a study group. Turn your study session into a social event and engage in some group revision. Not only will you get to see your favorite classmates, but you'll also learn a lot from a study group. You can engage in revision activities like cue cards and testing to help you absorb the information. Number 9, take regular breaks. Let's face it, even geniuses can't focus for hours on end. To help you stay productive, you need to allow yourself to break regularly. This doesn't mean that you should study for 15 minutes and then proceed to watch Stranger Things for 3 hours. Instead, the most effective technique is the Pomodoro technique, where you study for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. After you've repeated this 4 times, you should then take a 15 to 30-minute break. Number 10, get enough sleep. Who needs sleep when you have energy drinks, right? Wrong. While staying up all night to get in some last-minute revision might seem like a good idea, it won't be effective. When you sleep, your brain takes in and stores any information. So when you're sleep-deprived, you won't remember much of what you read the night before. Now that you're well-equipped with the best ways to study, what's stopping you from acing your test? By adopting these great habits, you'll be well on your way to student success. But if you're looking for some tips and tricks, visit careeraddict.com for more advice. And don't forget to like the video and click on the subscribe button to get more insightful tips.